Hello, and today I just finally brought Host and Yoyo, but also we are gonna make that Host and Yoyo. So I just brought some e-cards like this. But my fave. So I just brought this 12 Sounds of Christmas, but it's not Christmas. So if you don't know something, I'll show you about this to Christmas Eve. And you cannot really, but don't forget to subscribe to Camera channel. So I just got the 8%. So let's start. You see that the Christmas Eve roll over the balls. Yeah, this is Christmas Eve. And I saw this Christmas Eve now. Yeah, that's the spirit of Christmas Eve. You found this e-card? And you saw this Christmas yet, but it's not Christmas yet. It's not Christmas yet. But okay. So, if you don't like it, that's wrong song. And that is Christmas yet, but it's not Christmas yet. Tomorrow on April Fools, and I'll show you about this. So, if you don't like that's Christmas. So I like this Christmas, but I don't but it's not Christmas yet. And Poodles doesn't look like that. Alright guys, it's not Christmas yet. Yeah, sounds Christmas. And this is like 10. But it's not Christmas. Yeah, but it's not Christmas yet. Yeah. So, I don't like Christmas yet, y'all. Y'all say that that's not Christmas. And you doesn't like that Christmas at all. You know, so you see that it's not Christmas yet. Well, that is Christmas yet. If you don't like this video, so you don't like this Christmas yet. And I don't like to say that because it's not Christmas yet. Do you miss any? I'll see you later for a K-pop channel. But it's not Christmas.